Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Okay, y'all. So in this video today, what's going on with my nose? I'm going to show y'all pretty much how I put my button earrings together. And then in another video, I'm going to show y'all how to make and create the long button earrings that you saw in one of my previous videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and please make sure you thumbs up the video. So as you can see, I'm in my craft room on my craft floor, and the very first thing that I do when I'm making my button earrings is I put all my buttons on, I lay my buttons out, okay? I got so many, y'all. But the other day, what I decided to do was separate a lot of my buttons. And I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers. But I have a whole lot of buttons, so I have way more buttons than containers, and I'm gonna fix that. But anyway, y'all, so I have some old jars that I've cleaned out, took tags and stickers off. These jars I've had for quite some time, never used them, but now I'm going to be using them to put my buttons in. You know what though, y'all may have seen some already that I've done, that buttons that I've had in jars. But anyway, this is the very first thing that I do. I put my buttons in order. That's the very first thing I do. I start from the smallest and I go down to the largest. Now you can put yours in any random order that you choose, but this is going to be the buttons that I use to make my how to make video. And I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons. Okay, I try to match them up as much as possible, pretty much almost the same. What's really amazing to me is I found a lot of buttons that are pretty much the same. And I got excited because I'm like, ooh, because with these buttons, there's so many different ones. So many different ones that, like I said, when you go to the Dollar Tree, and you can get buttons from anywhere, okay, not just the Dollar Tree, you can go anywhere and get buttons, okay? Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, every place sells buttons. But the reason why I get a lot of my buttons from the Dollar Tree is because I believe what they do is, now don't quote me on this, but I'm not sure how they get their buttons, but you can get some really nice, and these buttons, y'all, they're quality. They're not junk, they're quality. And you can use buttons to make and create anything you want. Anything you want. Necklaces, earrings, bracelets, anything. Okay? So this is basically what I do. I get down here on the floor, I pour them out, and I look through them to see what I want to put together. Okay? Sometimes it takes me some time to do this, but I'm okay with it because I enjoy what I do. And like I said the other day, I took and I just separated some of my buttons And I have like my yellows. I have some of these. I have light yellow, dark yellow, light pinks, bright pinks. Okay. And yep. So this is a miscellaneous one. This has white, black, and some purple in here. Yep. So with that being said, y'all, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this, but I just wanted to show you the order on how I put my buttons together. Once again, please don't forget to thumbs up, like, share. If you are not a subscriber, please become a subscriber to this platform, all right? Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day, and as always, peace and blessings. And there will be a how to make video on those buttons right there. We're going to be making those long earrings. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.